shows that are. Are you members? Do you live here? Did you see the Cupid last year? The Cupid was magnificent. It's in October, November.
Welcome to the New York Botanical Garden, a National Historic Landmark and one of the foremost gardens in the world. Since its creation in 1891, this remarkable place has been an oasis of beauty and learning for generations of visitors. The Botanical Garden, which encompasses 250 acres, includes more than 1 million living plants. Tucked away behind the hills and trees around you are areas of great beauty and ecological significance. This commentary is just an introduction. The garden's many wonders await your exploration. Just out of view, on side A of the tram, is the Botanical Garden's crown jewel, the E. A. Haupt Conservatory. It is the preeminent Victorian-style glasshouse in America. A grand structure of glass and steel, it opened in 1902. Thousands of plants thrive in its 11 galleries, in habitats ranging from the tropical rainforest to American desert.
As we turn off the main road, we'll be driving through 2 rows of American tulip trees planted over a century ago. A tree-lined walk like this is called an allée. At the end of the allée, you'll see an impressive building with massive columns and wide steps. It was completed in 1901 and houses the Lester T. Mertz Library. With over 1 million copies and almost 100 years old, the Mertz Library is the largest and most important collection of literature about plants in the world. Scientists travel from across the globe to do research here. The Library Gallery presents 2 exhibitions each year. As we pull up to the library building, you can't miss the elaborate fountain made of marble and bronze. It's the Lillian Goldman Fountain of Light and features a pair of seahorses shell chariot through the waves. Inside the library building, you'll find a display of portraits in the first floor rotunda. On the 4th floor, you can explore a fascinating exhibition devoted to 10 current research projects of the garden scientists.
아니 안 내려. 이게 뭐라고? 라이브러리. 도서관.